If you're experiencing billing problems on Steam, follow these steps to resolve the issue efficiently. This guide will help you troubleshoot common billing issues and find a solution. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that the payment method you are using is valid and has sufficient funds. Verify that your credit card or payment account is not expired and that it is accepted by Steam. Step 2. Review your purchase history. Log into your Steam account and check your purchase history. Look for any recent transactions that may have failed or been charged incorrectly. This can help you identify the specific issue. Step 3. Contact Steam support. If you find discrepancies or unresolved issues, visit the Steam support website. Submit a ticket detailing your billing problem, including any relevant transaction ID or screenshots to provide context. Step 4. Verify account security. Make sure your Steam account is secure. Change your password if you suspect any unauthorized access. A compromised account can lead to billing issues, so ensure your account is protected. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your issue to Steam support, be patient. It may take some time for them to respond due to the volume of inquiries. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your billing problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing issues you encounter on Steam. If problems persist, consider reaching out to your bank or payment provider for further assistance.